Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Chrome or any other browser with Google Play Store as well on Xiaomi 13 Lite. To do this, first let's open our Google Chrome, and here let's try to refresh the page or enter any new one. But as you can see, we have this error. The same is with Google Play Store. If we try to download something like Call of Duty, or actually let's go for Diablo as this one is already installed, we have a pending stuck forever. Let's cancel it for now and move on to the settings. Then go for additional settings, date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install Diablo Immortal, it will actually begin. And the same is with a browser, so we can reload the page and it will work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.